Okay guys, this is how you actually withdraw you claim your Notcoin. So what you'll be doing is you go to your Telegram. Okay, I'll be accessing Telegram through this phone now, though I've already claimed my own, but this is a friend of mine. So let me show you what you're going to be doing. You access Telegram. So let's assume you come to this page. What you'll be asked to do is you asked to connect your Tonkeeper wallet. So you can see that this Tonkeeper has already been connected here. So this is Tonkeeper. For those of you who don't know Tonkeeper, this is what it look like. Okay, this is Tonkeeper here. So I already told most of my students to download the Tonkeeper and set it because of this airdrop. So if you've already done that, you come to the website and click on this Tonkeeper and make sure you connect your wallet. So after that, you click on this send button here. So after clicking on the send button, you're going to be selecting this exchange here because we are sending the crypto into exchange, right? So we'll continue here. After continuing, then we are going to be selecting Binance, right? So when we select Binance, we can select Bybit or Binance or OKX, any of them. So this, my friend here, is going to use Bybit. So I'm going to be clicking on send. Then yes, I have it. Then now we are going to be depositing from Bybit. So what we'll be doing is you're going to go to your Bybit. Okay, just let me locate Bybit. Okay, all right. So this is Bybit here. So what you'll be doing is you go to deposit. You go to deposit here, deposit, then you click on deposit crypto, right? Then you search on Notcoin. So Not is already here. I'll just click on it. So you select on as the blockchain, as the network, sorry. Then you copy this address here. You can see what I'm doing. Don't make mistake. I copy this address, then I go over to the wallet. I click on this and I paste it, okay? So after pasting, I go to memo, right? So memo is this your seed tag here. You see the tag here, you copy the tag, you go back to our wallet and you paste the tag there, right? So I'm pasting the tag here, okay? Sorry. So this is the tag. So I keep going, then it looks good, confirm, and then boom, you're done with your withdrawal. So you just wait for the launch date in order to claim your assets. Thank you.